What up, people? Yes, this is PMK. I'm back again with another video to show you how to buy and sell perfect money on truexgold.com. So let's go get it. The first thing you're going to do is to go to your browser on your desktop or on your mobile device. Go to any browser on your phone and go to truexgold.com. I'm going to be keeping the link to truexgold.com in this video description below. So this is the first page of truexgold. So if you're new, sign up and register with truexgold, and if you are already a member, you can directly sign in, or still you can still use truexgold as a guest. So as a member, I'm going to sign in truexgold. Put in your login and then put in your password and solve the captcha. Write the answer. 5 plus 5 is 10 and sign in. Buying perfect money or any other cryptocurrency on truexgold has become much more easier. We want to send naira to receive perfect money, so I'm going to start from buying perfect money, and I'm going to also sell my perfect money on the same side. Then what I'm going to do is we are going to send naira and then receive perfect money. You're going to put the amount of the naira which you want to send, and the minimum amount you're going to send is about 3,650 naira. So I'm going to send about 10,000 naira. So if I'm sending 10,000 naira, I'm going to receive about $22.51 perfect money. Here, this is where you're going to put your perfect money account number. So if you don't know your perfect money account number, you can either log into your perfect money, and under my account you copy your dollar account number and then you paste it here. As for me, since I know my perfect money account number, the next thing I'm going to do is to continue with the process. So you input your perfect money account number here and make sure your account is correct, and scroll down to the personal data you want to put, and you exchange. My order has been successfully created. So as you can see, this is the details. You check them properly and before you accept the terms and condition, and then you create the order. Once you click on the create order, they are going to generate an order ID for you. So as you can see, the order ID has been generated, 6492. You can copy down this order ID for reference purpose. This is how you're going to make the payment of your naira. You're going to log into your mobile device, go to your mobile banking app and sign into your mobile banking. Under the amount, you put in the amount which you want to send. It's 10,000, and this is where you're going to put your invoice remark. So put your order invoice here. Do not put anything as paying for perfect money or perfect money payment or just perfect money. Do not write any comments there. Copy the order invoice and paste it under the transaction description. Make sure it's correct and continue with the payment. As you can see, the payment has been successful. Screenshot your payment. This is for future reference, and scroll down and click on the pay. So once you click on the pay, you're going to wait for them to confirm your payment. So as you can see, order is paid, confirmation of payment has been accepted. The request is going to be processed by an operator. As you can see, this website is a semi-automatic website. An operator at the back end will check and confirm the payment, and they will credit your perfect money account. It will take up to 5 to 30 minutes, and once the payment has been completed, they are going to send you an email to let you know that they have credited your perfect money. Congratulations to you if you have just made it to your first exchange of perfect money on truexgold.com. Now I'm going to show you how to sell your perfect money on truexgold.com so that you get Naira into your Naira bank account. So let's go get it. The same thing you're going to do is to go to the link at truexgold.com. I'm leaving a link below this video description. Click on it. Once you log in into truexgold.com, this time around is going to be different. We are selling our perfect money to earn Naira. So we are going to scroll down and look for where the perfect money is and click on perfect money. When you click on perfect money and then you click on Naira. So what we're going to do now is to input the amount of the perfect money we want to exchange. I want to exchange just $20 perfect money. 8,502 Naira. So paste in your account number here. As you can see, mine is already saved. This is the importance of registering with the truexgold, because once you have signed up, all your details are going to be saved so that it will make it more easier for you when next you log in to make any transaction. So as you can see here, it's a little different. What we're going to do next is to put your account number. Make sure your account number is correct and put in your bank account name. Select your bank name and continue with the process. As you can see, you accept the terms and condition and you create the order. Once the order ID is generated, the next thing you're going to do is to make the payment of sending the perfect money to truexgold.com so that they can be able to process it for you. Make payments. This is the memo. As you can see, you put in your login ID and Torin number. You preview the payment, confirm payment, and continue. So confirmation of payment has been accepted. An available operator will review your request and approve your transaction as soon as possible. So we're going to wait for about 5 to 30 minutes for them to confirm our payment, and then they're going to credit our Naira bank account as easy as that. So all we're going to do now is to wait for them to send us email, and we're going to check our account balance. Congratulations, it is what it is. It just took about 10 minutes and my account has been credited. You can see it. This is the transaction. So thank you to everyone who has stayed tuned with us, and thank you to truexgold for helping us exchange my currency. You can do yours. Waste no time, no extra charges. Sign up by clicking the link below this video description. See you until next time.